Welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to convert the decimal number to binary number. To convert the decimal number to binary number, we have to use the function which is called as base. So I wanted to convert the number to binary. I will use the header as binary. Use the same format. We will use the function which is called as base equals base. Open the bracket. Select the cell which you wanted to convert. I wanted to convert the number 81, which is in decimal format. I wanted to convert 81 to binary format. So decimal will be base 10, binary will be base 2. Since I wanted to convert 81 to base 2, I will use 2 here and close the bracket. So 81 has been converted to binary format, which is 1010001. And if I wanted to apply the same formula for remaining cells, I will drag the formula for all the other cells. We got the result. If you notice, we have got the result, but the length of the numbers are not in the proper format. So for that, what I have to do is, I will use the same formula again, base. I want to keep the standard length. I will open the bracket, select the number which you wanted to convert, again comma, I wanted to convert to binary, so base 2. I wanted to maintain the length of the numbers, say I wanted to maintain 8. The length of numbers will be 8 here, close the bracket. Now it looks better. I have maintained the length of the numbers and also we have converted the decimal number to the binary number. It will be very useful whenever you wanted to convert the decimal number into binary number. When you are converting an IP address, let us say you wanted to convert 192, 168 and 15.142. So this is the IP address in decimal format. If I wanted to convert the IP address into binary format, so IP address will be in an octet. There will be 4 octet. So this is the first octet, this is the second octet, third octet and fourth octet. Octet will be of 8 numbers. So I'll use base and select the number which I wanted to convert, base 2. Since it will be in an octet, I will use 8 to maintain the numbers, to maintain the length of the number. So 192 will be 11 followed by 6 zeros. And now this is the first octet, this is the second octet, this is the third octet and this is the fourth octet. So we got the IP address in the binary format. Now let us see how to convert the decimal number into hexadecimal numbers. So this will be hexadecimal. I will use the format. I wanted to convert 81 into hexadecimal number. So I'll use the base function again. Open the bracket. Select the number. Since hexadecimal is a base 16 numbers, I have to use 16 here and close the bracket. So we have converted the numbers which are there in the column A, which uses the decimal number system. And in column G, we have converted the decimal number system to hexadecimal number system. The number 10 in decimal number system will be equal to A in hexadecimal number system. So we are able to use the base function to convert from decimal to binary. And also we are able to convert from decimal to hexadecimal. And we have also seen how to use the length of the numbers as a standard. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.